Danielle and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a top out of a skirt. It is becoming like spring summer here, like, well, not summer but spring here, so I decided to make like a little strappy top. Yeah, so let's just get on with the video and you can see what it looks like. So this is the skirt that I'll be using. The first thing I do is cut it inside out and I cut up a seam, so then I know what material I have to work with. I then measured how long I wanted it to be on me. Obviously because it's a skirt, it's a bit long on my body, and I kind of wanted it a little bit cropped as well, and so it flowed out. It's basically going to look like a loose boob tube in the end of it, I think. So I then just pinned where I wanted to cut it. And then when I cut it, I made sure I actually cut below the pins and not above, because obviously you're going to want to make sure that you have that 1 inch of seam allowance after measuring it on you. Yeah, so after that what I did, I pinned down the side that I cut, obviously making sure I measured it to fit around my bust area. So I pinned that down and sewed across the seam. Still leaving it right sides together, I then hemmed the top of the skirt so then it wouldn't fray. and I did cut this. I did leave that 1 inch seam allowance, which I did say previously. I then had some denim, so I created them into some straps. So I just sewed them 2 bits together, making sure they were right sides together, and then I folded them right sides together again to make 1 long strap, and I just sewed across. After sewing across, I then put a safety pin at the top, and I just basically turned it the right way around. It did take me a little while to do this, as it is denim, and I did really kind of like, not really thin straps, but slightly thin straps. I then tucked the bottom and the top of the strap bit in, just so then the ends didn't fray. And then I sewed them on top of my top. And here's the final look. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like and subscribe down below if you want to see more of my videos, and I will see you in my next one.